So, after 3 years of silence, Mark Zuckerberg suddenly came out of nowhere and posted on X that they released their new model, Muse Spark 1.1. It's pretty interesting because just yesterday, Elon Musk's SpaceX AI came out with Grok 4.5, so Meta is trying to compete directly here. They are saying Muse Spark 1.1 is at the same level as Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5, but really fast and low cost. And this model is closed weight, which is a big change from their previous open models in the Llama series.
They are saying this model is really good at agentic workflows and coding. Also, it has a 1 million token context window, meaning it can take in massive multi-file codebases at once. A cool feature they added is that it can use subagents in parallel to break down a large project and solve complex problems much faster. It even has computer use capabilities, so it can write automation scripts or directly interact with desktop apps and software interfaces on its own.
Let's look at the benchmarks. At MCP Atlas, which shows MCP tool usage, it scores 88.1%. And at JobBench, which is agentic tool usage, it scores 54.7%, which means it beats other major models in these benchmarks. On Terminal Bench 2.1, about agentic terminal coding, it scores 80.0%, falling slightly behind GPT 4.5 and Opus 4.8. On SWE-Bench Pro, about real-world software engineering tasks, it scores 61.5%, which got beaten by Opus 4.8 Max, but it beats other major models like GPT 4.5.
For using Muse Spark 1.1, you can use it on the Meta AI web or mobile app, where you can also generate images via their new Muse image model. And for API use, you can directly use it through the new Meta Model API platform, which is compatible with OpenAI and Anthropic SDK formats, so you can plug it into tools like OpenCode. If you sign up on their developer platform during this public preview, you can even get $20 in free credits. But currently, the API platform is not available in some regions, and it's not available in my region either, so I can't test and show that part to you.
If we do a quick comparison with Grok 4.5, both models are targeting developers, but Meta is really pushing on the price side. They're charging $1.25 per million input tokens and $4.25 per million output tokens. To put that in perspective, Grok 4.5 costs $2 per million input tokens and $6 per million output tokens, so Meta is definitely cheaper.
So for now, that's the whole story of Muse Spark 1.1 by Meta. If you want to see videos of more AI models like Grok 4.5, which just came out, then you can check out my channel.